In this video, we'll walk you through the process of jailbreaking your Fire Stick in September 2024. Jailbreaking is completely legal, as it simply allows you to install third-party apps not available on the Amazon App Store. However, it's important to note that while the process itself is legal, accessing copyrighted content without permission is not. Our guide will focus on staying within the legal boundaries while maximizing the functionality of your Fire Stick for apps and services you legally own. Step 1. Install APK Downloader on Fire Stick. 1. Go to the home screen of your Amazon Fire TV Stick. 2. Select Find in the middle bar, followed by Search. 3. On the search window, type the app's name, Downloader. Click Downloader in the search suggestions. 4. Click the Downloader icon on the next screen. 6. Wait for the Downloader app to download and install. Then click Open to launch the Downloader app. 7. Dismiss any prompts displayed when you use the Downloader app for the first time. But if it asks you to give it any permissions, ensure you allow them all. Later, you will start by clicking the Apps section highlighted in the image below. However, before that, we need to take care of something else. So, jump to the next section. Step 2. Setting up Fire Stick for jailbreaking. First, you must tweak a setting to allow the jailbreak process to work. This native setting is all you need to change to get started. However, I will also demonstrate how to change some optional settings that may be useful later. You are not changing system settings or manipulating operating system core files. This jailbreak hack is more straightforward than most people think. You don't even need a computer. All you need is your Fire Stick, its remote, and an internet connection. 1. Power on your Amazon Fire TV Stick and wait for this home screen to load. 2. Select the gear or cog icon in the middle bar, on the far right, to open settings. 3. Now, choose the option My Fire TV. 4. On the following window, click Developer Options. Note, if you do not see Developer Options, go to Settings My Fire TV About. Now, select Fire TV Stick and click it 7 times to enable developer options. 5. First, switch on the ADB debugging. Don't worry if you don't see the ADB debugging option. It is optional. 6. You have to allow third-party app installation in this step. You will see one of the following 2 options depending on your Fire Stick device version. Option 1, Install unknown apps. Click it and proceed to the next step to enable Downloader. Option 2, Apps from unknown sources. Click this option and then click Turn on the following prompt. Skip the next step. 7. Click Downloader and turn it on. 8. Press the back button on the Amazon Fire TV remote. It will take you back to the settings window. Open Preferences. 9. Open Privacy Settings. 10. Turn off the following options to stop sharing the usage data after you jailbreak Fire Stick in the Privacy Settings, Device Usage Data, Collect App Usage Data. 11. Press the back button 1 time. It would be best if you now were back in the Preferences window. Click Data Usage Monitoring. 12. Turn off the Data Usage Monitoring setting on the next screen. Step 3. Jailbreak Fire Stick. The first jailbreak app we are going to install is called Kodi. Kodi is a media application that gives you access to the vast world of free entertainment. It lets you watch your favorite movies, TV shows, TV channels, sports, kids content, and much more. Yes, you can stream anything you want. All you need is the right Kodi add-ons and builds. We will jailbreak Fire Stick with Kodi using the Downloader app you downloaded from the Amazon App Store. 1. Open Downloader. Click the URL text box as highlighted in the image below. 2. When this window is displayed, enter firesticktricks.com/capk and click Go. 3. Wait for the downloader app to download the Kodi 20.1 Omega APK. 4. Now, we need to install Kodi. Select Install and click it. 5. Wait for the Kodi APK to install. 6. An app installed notification will confirm that Kodi has been installed on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Great! Your Fire Stick is now jailbroken. Click Open to run Kodi. If you want to open Kodi later, click Done. You may open it later from Your Apps Channels list.
Thank you for watching us. In order for similar studies to continue, and for YouTube algorithms to recommend our videos to others, you, the viewers, can help by liking our videos, leaving comments at points, and subscribing to our channel. We wish you beautiful, healthy days.